You can see how nicely the sign up page has been designed. I am going to introduce you to one more technique in UiPath App Studio. If I have to enter an email address, okay, for example, here in the field you can see if I am entering anything else apart from email address, what happens? It says enter a valid email address. Okay, so there's a technique involved how this works. If I am saying, for example, I'll say rakeshabc.com. If I say, right, you can see it is working fine. The moment you make any kind of a mistake in your email address, it tells you enter a valid email address. So how this designing can be done, this is a learning point. So let's get started. Let's go to the UiPath Studio and see how this can be done. First of all, this email address is a text activity. How do you add a text activity? Simply go to input and drag and drop this text activity, which I have already done it. Now, more important is to learn the property. So here, if you see under general, what I have done, the input type I have selected email. You have multiple different options. You can go with text, number, email. If it is an email, you will select email. So already the programming has been done, which will automatically detect the value that you are entering here, whether it's an email or not. Okay. Now, inside this box, if you see, when it was blank, let me remove this data. Inside this box, it says this will be the username, right? So it is telling you some message inside. How that is coming? That is coming from this hint text. In the hint text, whatever I am going to enter, it's going to appear there. Okay, if I'm saying enter email, it is going to appear here inside the box. Getting it? All right, that is one second learning. Okay, first learning, you will select the input type to email. The second learning, in the hint text, if you want some text to appear inside the text box, right, a grayed out text, that has to be entered under hint text property. Okay, clear? Now there is something called tooltip. Okay, tooltip. What is this tooltip? For example, if I'm entering some value, some wrong value if I'm entering, okay. So here the tooltip comes. When I highlight my mouse on this tooltip, it is, you can see the value has come. It is giving an example, rakesh@abc124.com. So it is giving some kind of a hint. Okay, that is called tooltip. So the tooltip you can provide here. So you understood what is the difference between hint text. Hint text something appears in this inside the box, and tooltip when you make if you are making a wrong entry, the tooltip will appear. Okay, got it. So here I am saying the label is email address for it to appear here. Okay, required true. This is also important thing. Okay, this required button, do you see this is star mark? Okay, so star mark means, let's say I'm not entering anything and I'm for example all these are star mark, right? So if I'm going to remove this and come here, it says required field. Okay, required field. So this required field comes by enabling required is equals to true. Pretty simple value. Okay, if you put true, that will get a star mark. So these are a couple of techniques you must know while you are working with a text box. Okay, so after you have designed, if you hit on preview, design this. Okay, whatever you are learning, design it and utilize those properties, because this will be pretty helpful while you'll be working on UiPath App Studio. So you can see email address got a star mark, it says enter email, and then if I make something wrong entry, it brings a message enter a valid email address, and there is something called rakeshabc124.com tooltip has come. Now there is another point, enter a valid email address. Okay, how this one came, enter a valid email address. So there is an option here, do you see custom error message? In the custom error message, I have entered something called enter a valid email address. Okay, because of that, if somebody makes things wrong, then it will show here. You can see how it is appearing. It says enter a valid email address. Getting it? So now you have learned all the properties. I'm pretty sure while you design, right? And another question that you will be having in your mind, Rakesh, how would I design this kind of a web page? Right? You can see sign up button is there, login page is there. I'm going to teach that. But these techniques are important before we design that. These small techniques are very important. So you have learned the next technique of how do you enable a text box which can validate email address. On top of that, it can show a message when things goes wrong, right? And it has a tooltip and everything. We learned how to enable it. So thank you guys for watching it. We are going to meet once again in our next content. Till then, take care. Bye bye.